In today's video, I am going to teach you how to permanently close Klaviyo account. Before we start, it helps to know what this process does. Closing and deleting your account is a permanent action, so your access to Klaviyo features, billing, and saved settings will be removed. As you follow along, take your time and make sure you are looking at the correct account in Klaviyo before you begin. To start, open Klaviyo in your web browser. When the page loads, sign in to the account you want to close. If you are not already signed in, this matters because the next steps depend on the account you are currently viewing. Once you are inside the Klaviyo dashboard, you are ready for the main controls we will use. Next, click your account name located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is typically where account and user options are grouped. Take a moment to find that bottom left area and look for your profile or account label. When you click it, a small menu should appear. This menu is your gateway to the settings where billing and account management options live. Now click Settings from the menu you just opened. Settings is where Klaviyo organizes options like preferences, billing details, and account level changes. After you select Settings, wait for the Settings page to fully load so you do not miss anything. From here, we will narrow down specifically to the Billing section. After that, click Billing. On most dashboards, billing is part of the Settings navigation, and it controls account payments and subscription actions. Clicking Billing is important because the option to close and delete the account is placed under this area. Once the billing page appears, look for account closure controls rather than payment methods because we only need the specific deletion option. Then, click Close and Delete Account. This label is the key step that leads to the account removal flow. When you select it, you may see information about what will happen after deletion. Pay attention to any warnings on screen, since this section is designed to ensure you understand the permanence of the action. If you are reviewing details, give yourself a second to confirm you are ready to proceed. After you choose Close and Delete Account, complete the setup. This means follow whatever on-screen prompts are presented in that deletion flow. The interface may ask you to acknowledge the closure and guide you through the final confirmation steps. This step matters because Klaviyo uses it to verify intent and to make sure the process is completed in the correct order. Next, enter your account name to confirm. This is a deliberate confirmation step, and it should match the account name exactly as Klaviyo requests. Watch the field carefully and double-check your spelling before submitting. This confirmation step is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so accuracy here is essential. Then, click Delete Account. This action submits the confirmation to permanently remove your account. At this point, Klaviyo may display an additional final prompt or a processing message. If another confirmation appears, use the one that confirms deletion and do not interrupt the process. Depending on your browser and network connection, it may take a short moment for the change to register. Finally, confirm deletion. If the system asks you to verify one last time, select the confirmation option. Once you do that, the deletion process should complete. You may be redirected to a page indicating that your account has been scheduled for deletion or permanently closed, depending on the exact flow presented during your session. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.